Hello smart minds, welcome back to Zippy Learning. Today we are going to learn a magical trick to multiply any number by 11. Write in your mind. Yes, you heard that right. No paper, no calculator, just your brain and a little fun. Let's begin with the magic. Let's start with something simple. 24 into 11. Add 2 digits, 2 plus 4, it will be 6, and place 6 between 2 and 4. Then it will be 2, 6 and 4. 24 into 11 is equal to 264. Let's try more. 35 into 11. Add 3 and 5, it will be 8. Then place 8 between 3 and 5. Then the answer will be 385. 35 into 11 is equal to 385. 44 into 11. Add 4 and 4, it will be 8, and place 8 between 4 and 4. Then the final answer will be 484. 52 into 11. Add 5 and 2, it will be 7. Place 7 between 5 and 2. Then the answer will be 572. 72 into 11. Add 7 and 2, it will be 9. Place 9 between 7 and 2. Then the answer will be 792. 63 into 11. Add 6 and 3, it will be 9. Place 9 between 6 and 3. Then the answer will be 693. Easy, right? But what can you do when the middle number is more than 9? Let's see in an example. 58 into 11. Add 5 and 8, it will be 13. Then there is 2-digit number. You have to keep 3 in the middle and carry 1 to 5. It will be 6. 630 and keep 8 at the last. 58 into 11 is equal to 638. 76 into 11. Add 7 and 6, it will be 13. Add 3 in the middle and carry 1 to 7, it will be 8. And keep 6 at the last. 76 into 11 is equal to 836. Isn't that smart? We just did it mentally. Ready for a bigger number? Let's try. 432 into 11. We will write the first digit at the beginning of the answer. 4. Then add first and second digit. It will be 7. Now add second and third digit. It will be 5. And write the last number at the last of the answer. 432 into 11 is equal to 4752. Try some more. 524 into 11. Write first digit at the beginning of the answer. 5. Then add first and second digit. It will be 5 plus 2, 7. Then add second and third digit. It will be 2 plus 4, 6. Write the last number at the last of the answer. 524 into 11 is equal to 5764. 362 into 11. Write the first digit. Now add first and second digit. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Then add second and third digit. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then write the last digit at the last of the answer. 362 into 11 is equal to 3982. For the carryover cases, I am showing you step by step. 781 into 11. Step 1, write the first digit, 7. Step 2, add first and second digit, 7 plus 8, it will be 15. Step 3, add second and third digit, it will be 8 plus 1, 9. Step 4, write the last digit. Here is a carryover. You have to carry 1 to 7. Then the final answer will be 8, 5, 9 and 1. Let's do one more. 697 into 11. Step 1, write first digit. It is 6. Then add first and second digit. 6 plus 9, it will be 15. Step 3, add second and third digit. 9 plus 7, it will be 16. Step 4, write the last digit. I am repeating again. Step 1, write the first digit. Step 2, add first and second digit. 6 plus 9, 15. Step 3, add second and third digit. 9 plus 7, 16. Step 4, write the last digit. There are two carryover cases. You have to carry 1 to 6. Then 6 will be 7. From 16, you have to carry 1 to 5. Then 5 will be 6, 7, 6 and 6, 7. 697 into 11 is equal to 7667. Now it's your turn. Try this on your own and comment below the answers. 45 into 11, 84 into 11, 512 into 11. Let's see who gets them right. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe to Zippy Learning for more awesome math magic. And don't forget to share this trick with your friends. Math is not hard. It's just hidden magic. See you in the next video. Thank you.